Hello, welcome back. And if this is your first time, my name is Patricia and I do a lot of home decor DIY content. I've been doing this a long time, way before we even had YouTube. I'm also retired, so I do these things just to keep myself busy, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Today's video, I'm just trying to finish up what I started here, my board and batten wall in my small tiny bathroom. And I'm sanding it because I used some of the wood filler and the spackle, wood filler and caulking, caulking to cover up any seams as much as I can, and then sand it. I must admit I did not do a great sanding job. Of course I did board and batten in this bathroom. It's a small bathroom, but sitting on the toilet staring at this wall just gave me this idea to do this. So I have caulked it, finished caulking this morning, a week later. And my plan is to try to paint it this weekend. So once everything is dried and sanded, then I will paint. As you can see here, I have already started out with one coat of paint. And I'm going to let that dry and then go back, until I get the desired coverage that I need. I could have actually sanded some of those areas down a whole lot better. I considered putting some over here, but then I decided no, it's too small of an area and it's not necessary. I still have to finish touching up that black door. But yeah, here's what it looks like for the time being. And then I'll come back and go over it again and again until I get the desired effect. As far as the wood at the top of it, I just used some wood that I had outside instead of using the pre-primed wood for there. I'm trying to use everything I have. Here it is from a different angle. And now looking at this, I have to go over it with another coat, of course. And I was so anxious, I put the little hooks up there already for the towels. The only thing I regret is that I didn't go up a little higher with this. Yeah, I should have moved that shelf and just went up higher. And here is the finished product. As you can see what I mean, the towels, they hang pretty low because I didn't bring it up high enough. Technically it could have covered half that wall. Never mind my shower, that's something I'm going to have replaced at some point. Thought about just doing a walk-in shower there. Alright then, please consider subscribing, turn on your notification bell, leave a thumbs up and a comment, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye.